Hey guys, guess what? Benefit just dropped a brand new bronze and contouring palette. I am so excited to try this out. This is basically all of their best shades all in one palette. Alright guys, let's test this out, try this on, and give it a score. Alright, let's get into it. So this is the Hoola Contourist palette. Oh, this is nice. Okay. I love this because you get like a little bit of everything. Okay. Love that. Let's put this off to the side and dig right into this. So this is Hoola Light. This is regular Hoola, which is my go-to. I love that one. This is Hoola Caramel and Hoola Toasted. Hoola Toasted, I'm not gonna lie, it's going to be too dark because I am very pale, but this is kind of like an all-around palette, which I believe would be really great for a makeup artist or someone that is a little bit darker than me that can use all of the shades 100%, but I'm gonna go in and swatch these for you guys on the back of my hand. So this is Hoola Light, Hoola Caramel, and Hoola Toasted. Okay, these are all super great. Honestly, I think if I mixed Hoola Toasted and Hoola Caramel with a little bit of Hoola Light, I could probably get away with actually using them, especially for like my décolleté area if you want that more bronzed look. Honestly, I think even though I'm really fair, I can get away with this. To start this off, I'm going to go in with Hoola, which is my go-to bronzer shade. I love this one. I actually have it right here, and you know what? I'm going to show you guys. This is crazy. I hit pan on this. There's barely anything left. I haven't thrown this out. I probably should, but it's just one of those things that I love to keep around because it is such a great product. I love this one. And if I'm ever going out traveling or anything like that, I take this because I love it so much because it's just that go-to shade. And this is the Hoola shade right here. So we're going to go in with Hoola. I'm going to go in with a fluffy, you know, very loosely packed, like a very, very fluffy brush. And I'm going to just tap into Hoola to bronze the perimeter of my face. So I'm just going to start right here, just at my hairline. Oh, that's such a pretty shade. I love that shade. And I'm just going to take that powder and just kind of lightly dust it all the way into my hairline, just bronzing my face. You guys have seen me bronze my face so many times, but this is so important. I'm just going to dust in the hairline and right here coming into the apples of my cheeks, because that's where the sun's going to kiss your face. It's going to start at the perimeter and work its way in on the nose and right here. I'm going to go in with a small, densely packed brush. This one is actually an F32 brush from ColourPop. I'm going to go in with the caramel shade right here as a contour. And I'm going to just lightly, in small circular motions, go right here under the apples of my cheeks, just to contour that area. This is applying really nice. First impressions, it's not going on patchy. It's a really nice formula, just in an all-together kind of palette packaging, which I think is like such a great idea for the brand. I'm so glad that they did this. Because honestly, taking like, this is the mini one, but taking like a whole bunch of these, like especially the bigger sized ones with you when you want like maybe 1 or 2 or 3 different ones. If you guys haven't tried the cookie highlighter from Benefit, definitely check it out. I'll link that video up above. Love that one. So good. Love it, love it, love it. But this is going on beautifully, not patchy. I like that. That's really pretty. So I'm actually going to go in with Toasted, just a little bit, tiny bit, and I'm actually going to tap that off my brush. I just want to deepen that up just a little bit, not much. But if you guys are as fair as me and you're using like a sunless tanner, definitely try the Vichy one. I super love it. But this would look really good with that. I like that. Now I am going to go in and buff that out because there's some rough edges right there. So I'm going to use this right here, which is my Artiste blending brush, which I love. And then I'm going to bake that area. But that It's beautiful. Love it. So now I'm gonna go in right here with the Hoola Light and pick up some of this on just a little fluffy blending brush. And this is actually a Juvia's Place brush. These are so good. I talk about them all the time in my videos. If you guys get the opportunity, definitely check out Juvia's brushes. So good. I'm gonna pick up Hoola Light, tap that off. I'm gonna go in just to regular Hoola a little bit. Also tap that off on the same brush. And I'm just gonna start, if you guys can see, like just directly from eye to eye at this part of the bridge of my nose. So we're gonna start right there. And I'm just going to come down. I'm gonna come down and just contour down the side of my nose just a little bit. Just like that. Now that is a little dark, I know what you're thinking, but I'm going to lighten that up when I buff it out. And I'm just going to put a little bit on the tip of my nose. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this brush right here, which is just a little soft blending brush. And I'm going to pick up regular Hoola and a little bit of the caramel Hoola, just a tiny bit, and dust that off. I'm going to start in the center of my chin and just lightly circle, going all the way to the jawline right here to contour under my jawline. And I like having it cut, so I go all the way to my under ear area. Now I'm gonna blend that out. Taking a small Artiste brush, I'm just going to blend that nose contour just a little bit. That's perfect. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys use to bronze and contour your face. I'm really curious. All right, I'm gonna go in, finish the other side, and I will be right back. And we're back. All right, guys, let's talk about this palette. It's not too cool toned. It's not too warm toned. All skin types, all skin colors can use this. I love the back of it, so let's talk about that right here. You have this directional palette picture right here. It tells you how to use it. Love that about this. So now it's time to give this product a score. Starting with application. So this went on buttery, it went on smooth, it wasn't patchy, so I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10. Next up, pigment. So you basically get their 4 best-selling shades for bronze and contouring, so I'm gonna have to give this a 9 out of 10. I really loved it. Finally, value. This palette is $43 Canadian, so when you think about it, you're getting 4 of their best-selling shades, which I really love about this palette. Now, those pans are about the same size as the mini version, which I have right here, which I super love. This one ranges for $23 Canadian. So if you bought 4 of these in the 4 different shades, that would be $92. Palette's only $43. So you know what? I think that's great. I'm gonna have to give it a 9 out of 10. Bringing us to a final score of 27 out of 30. Now, should you buy it, avoid it, or wish list it? Honestly, buy it. This is an amazing price. It's an amazing product. It's just one of those products that you just need in your life, and this does it all, and I love it so much. I've been using this product for like a decade plus, not to age myself, but I love this product. All right, guys, if you love videos like this one, help a girl out and hit that subscribe button. All right, guys, until next time, live, love, and live plus. Bye, guys.